The Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic both feature an all-new bioactive sensor, lighter cases, and can even perform body fat scans. I checked them out here at Samsung's demo event in accordance with COVID-19 protocols, and frankly, on first glance, Tizen fans have nothing to worry about. We knew the Galaxy Watch 4 was coming and that it would run the new Wear OS that Samsung co-engineered with Google. We even saw previews of what this new software would look like. But that doesn't mean that there isn't anything else to learn about Samsung's latest smartwatches. Die-hard Galaxy Watch fans will be comforted to know that at least on the classic model, the rotating bezel is still there. It still feels very clicky like before. In fact, it feels basically the same as the previous generation of Galaxy Watch with the rotating bezel. This isn't a clunky or heavy spinner. It clicks into place satisfyingly, but still whizzes by quickly. So as mentioned, there are two versions of the Watch 4. The regular, which used to be the active, and it is the bezel-less one, will be available in two sizes, 40 and 44 millimeters, while the classic, which is the one with the rotating bezel, will be available in 42 and 46 millimeters. The regular Watch 4 is available in more colors, black, silver, or pink, while the classic is available in black, silver, or green. The new watches also benefit from a brand new sensor, and according to Samsung, this is a 3-in-1 sensor that allows for things like optical heart rate, electrical heart rate, as well as bioelectrical impedance analysis, or BIA. That last one is what enables the new body fat scanning tool on the watch. You can also do things like monitor your blood pressure or detect irregular heartbeats. So one thing that's new that the watches do that I can't test out here is a snoring detection feature. I'm not about to fall asleep here on the couch at our hands-on event and tell you that it's accurate at picking out my snores, but that's one thing they'll do. The other thing is too, Samsung says the watches will sleep track with greater accuracy than before. Again, I'm not about to fall asleep here and I can't test this right now, but we will do so in our full review to let you know. Both watches are also equipped with a new processor. According to Samsung, this is the first 5-nanometer processor on a smartwatch. The CPU itself is 20% faster, and Samsung says there is 50% more RAM here than before, which means the overall experience should fly. The screen itself also looked great. The hardware here has been improved. The resolution is now 450 by 450 pixels, which is sharper than before. Things did look crisp and vibrant on the screen as we saw and played with the new Wear OS on these watches at the demo. So for all of those claims that we can't test just from this preview, like longer battery life or snoring detection, we'll definitely have to wait till we get a review unit in to check those claims out. So make sure you stay tuned for that and more coverage of Samsung products, Apple products, Google products, and more in the world of consumer technology by subscribing to Engadget.